Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get access to Gemini in Chrome. All right, let's begin. Open Chrome and go to google.com. Sign into your Google account for better access, though it is optional. In the search bar, type a question or topic and press enter. Use open-ended or research-style queries to increase the chances of triggering AI features. On the results page, look for the AI overview at the top. This section provides a summarized answer generated by Gemini, along with helpful source links. If it does not appear, try a different query or note that availability may vary by region. Click Show More to expand the overview and view additional details and references. This gives deeper context and allows you to explore the topic further. Next, select Dive Deeper in AI mode. This opens the full Gemini experience within search. You can ask follow-up questions, refine results, and interact with the content without starting a new search. Update Chrome if features are missing. So that's basically how you can get access to Gemini in Chrome. That's it for this video. Thanks.